Welcome to Study with Motivation. Today we will talk about 60 most important questions for any competitors like SSC, UPSC, NDA, CDS, Bank, etc. So, started. The first question: the World Consumer Day. The World Consumer Day is being observed on which date? That is 15 March. 15 March is the right answer of this question. The World Consumer Day is observed in 15 March. The next question. The next question is 2. Which is the 193rd member of UNO? That is South Sudan. South Sudan is the 193rd member of the UNO. That is South Sudan. South Sudan is the right answer of this question. The South Sudan, also known as the Republic of South Sudan. The capital of the South Sudan is Juba. The capital of South Sudan is Juba. Juba is the capital of South Sudan, and the official language of the South Sudan is English. English is the official language of South Sudan. The next question. The next question is 3. Through which are the characters are transferred from parents to progeny? Through which are the character are transferred from the parent, that is DNA. DNA is the right answer of this question. DNA is the right answer of this question. The next question. The next question is 4. Gangotri, Yamunotri, Kedarnath, Badrinath, and Masuri lies in which state? That is Uttarakhand. Lies in Uttarakhand, and the capital of the Uttarakhand is Dehradun. The emblem of the Uttarakhand is diamond shield, and the language of the Uttarakhand is Hindi and Sanskrit. Hindi and Sanskrit. The capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun. The next question is 5. What was the name of the learned lady who is said to have debated with the famous lawgiver Yajnavalkya? That is Gargi. Gargi is the right answer of this question. The next question, 6. From which fund are the salary of the judges of the Supreme Court drawn? That is consolidated fund. Consolidated funds are the salary of the judges of the Supreme Court are drawn. The next 7. With the rise of the boiling point of a water, what will be the latent heat of the steam? That is the latent heat of the steam is decreases. Why decreases? Because the relation between the boiling point of water of heat is opposite. The next question is 8. On which do companies pay corporate tax? On which do companies corporate tax is incomes? That is incomes is the right answer of this question. The next question is 9. What is the word used to describe the shape of the earth? That is oblate spheroid. Oblate spheroid. Spheroid. The next question is 10. On the banks of which river were Alexander and Porus involved in a grim battle? That is Jhelum River. Jhelum River, also known as the Bethesda River. Jhelum River, also known as the Bethesda River. The Alexander and Porus involved in a grim on the bank of the Jhelum River. The next question is 11. Where is the headquarters of the UNHCR located? It is Geneva. It is Geneva. The headquarters of the UNHCR is located in Geneva. UNHCR is founded in 14 December 1950. 14 December 1950. And the full form of the UNHCR is the United Nations High Commissioner for Refugees, and the headquarters of the Geneva, Switzerland. The next question is 12. Which branch of biology deal with the study of the heredity? Which branch of biology deal with the study of the heredity, that is genetics? The next question is 13. From which of the country Constitution of India has adopted fundamental duties, that is East while USSR, that is East while USSR. East while USSR is the right answer of this question. What is the full form of the USSR? That is Union of Soviet Socialist Republic. The founded of the USSR. When was the USSR is founded? That is in 13 December 1922. 13 December 1922. The next question is 14. What is the radius of the Earth approximately? What is the radius of the Earth approximately? That is 6400 kilometer is the radius of the Earth. The next question is 15. Where did Alexander die? Where did Alexander die? That is Babylon. Alexander died in Babylon, and Babylon is a city in Iraq, and the capital city of the Iraq is Baghdad. Baghdad is the capital city of Iraq. Baghdad is the capital city of Iraq. The next question is 16. If a proton of mass m is moving with velocity of light, how will its mass decrease, increase, or unchanged? The right answer of this question is unchanged. If a proton of mass m is moving with velocity of light, then its mass will be unchanged. The next 70. If we sprinkle common salt on an earthworm, why does it die? Due to osmotic shocks. Due to osmotic shocks. The next question is 18. The next question is 18. By which is the national income of India compiled? That is Central Statistical Organization. Central Statistical Organization. Central Statistical Organization is the national income of India compiled. The headquarters of the Central Statistical Organization is situated in Delhi. Situated in Delhi, and the fund and the Central Statistical Organization founded in 1951. 1951. The next question is 90. Frontal rain is caused which activity? Frontal rain is called which activity? That is cyclonic activity is the right answer. The next 20. Bronze coins of Nataraja. Bronze coins of Nataraja cast during Chola period invariably show the deity with how many hands? That is 4 hands. Bronze coins of the Nataraja cast during the Chola period invariably show the deity with the 4 hands. The next question is 21. Which combination of foods provide protein quality needed to that of meat? That is sprouted gram and groundnut. Sprouted gram and groundnut. This is important for health, and this is also important for our daily activity. The next is 22. What does the constitution name our country? That is India. That means Bharat. The next question is 23. A hydrogen atom is paramagnetic. A hydrogen atom is paramagnetic. What is a hydrogen molecule? That is dimagnetic, because we would call hydrogen H2. The next question is 24. Which type of rainfall is often accompanied with the lightning and thunder? Which type of rainfall is often accompanied with lightning and thunder? That is convectional rainfall. That is the right answer of this one. Convectional rainfall. Convectional rainfall is often accompanied with lightning and thunder. During which reign did the Biman style is temple architecture come into vogue? That is in the Chola region. The next question is 26. What is the period of the revolution of a geostationary satellite? What is the period of the revolution of a geostationary satellite? That is 24 hours. The next question is 27. United Nations adopted a Charter of Economic Rights in which year? That is 1974. The United Nations adopted a charter in 1974. The next question is 28. Which disease is inheritable? Which disease is inheritable? The color blindness is an example of the inheritable disease. Inheritable disease. The next question is 29. What do the contact of two air mass different sharply in humidity or humidity? That is temperate cyclone is the right answer of this question. What do the contact of two air mass different sharply in humidity originate? That is temperate cyclone. The next question is 30. The most important feature in the economic measure pursued by Alauddin Khilji. What was that? That is market control. That is market control. Alauddin Khilji. The childhood name of the Alauddin Khilji is Ali Gursab, and he is also known as the Sikandar Sani. Understand? The next question. The next question is 31. On which day is the budget in a normal circumstance presented to the parliament? That is the last day of February. Next question is 32. Which of the toxic heavy metals is found in modern tannery industry? That is chromium. What is the symbol of the chromium? That is Cr. The next question is 33. When was the rolling plant designated? When was the rolling plant designated? That is 1978 to 1983. And some historians are also known, also she think that is the right answer of this question is 1980. So next question. The next question is 34. Compared to other slopes in the northern hemisphere, which is the warmest, that is south facing. Compared to the other slopes, the southern facing northern hemisphere is also warm, is higher warm. The next question is 35. Who introduced the famous Persian festival of Nowruz in India? That is Balwan. Balwan introduced the famous Persian festival of Nowruz in India, and he started some tradition that is also known as the Sizda and Povos. The next question is 36. Which organization was established as the Bretton Woods Conference in 1944? That is IMF. The next question. The next question is 37. Why is tetracycline is used? Why is tetracycline is used? The right answer is as anti-plague drug. Tetracycline is a anti-plague drug. The next is 38. Which is the largest committee of the parliament? That is the estimate committee is the largest committee of parliament. The next question is 39. On moving from a pole to the equator, what we find in population of plants and animals? The population of plants and animals is increase towards the equator. The next question is 40. Chand Bibi, who carried a barrel to Akbar, was the ruler of which kingdom? He was the ruler of the Ahmednagar. Chand Bibi is the ruler of the Ahmednagar. The next question is 41. The year 1955 is the golden jubilee year of which international organization? That is UN, United Nations Organization. This is the full form of the UN. The next question is 42. The next question is 42. As per latest data, in urban area, women employment is highest in which industry? That is retail trade. Retail trade. The next question is 43. By which doctor was the first successful heart trans- transplants in Indian performed? That's Dr. Venugopal. The Dr. Venugopal was the first successor heart transplant in India. The next question is 44. Petroleum is generally found in which rocks? In which rocks? That is folded Maran sedimentary rocks. Folded Maran sedimentary rocks. The next question is 45. Who was regarded as Jinda Peer? This is Aurangzeb. Aurangzeb is also known as the Jinda Peer. 46. In which state was the Panchayat Raj first introduced? That is, Rajasthan is the one of the Indian state in which the Panchayat system firstly introduced. The next question is 47. Which contain high content of lead? That is high octal fuel. High octal fuel. The next question is 48. When is the World Malaria Day recognized by the WHO? That is April 25. What is the full form of the WHO? World Health Organization. World Malaria Day, that is April 25. The next question is 49. Which rocks are formed by the solidification of lava on the earth's surface? That is basalts. Basalt rocks are formed due to the solidification of lava. The next question is 50. When did the British government started ruling India directly? After Sepoy Mutiny. After Sepoy Mutiny. The next question is 51. Chris Evans' name is associated with which sport? That is tennis. Chris Evans is a tennis player. The next is which photosynthesis organelles are found in plant cells? That is chloroplast. Chloroplast is a cell that is found in plants. The next question is 53. In which year was Panchayati Raj system started in the country? Not only in Rajasthan, in the country. That is 1959 is the right answer of this question. The next question is 54. Which is the highest grade of the coil whose surface is shining and has the highest calorific value? That is anthracite. Anthracite is the coil whose surface is shining and the highest calorific value, that is something 93%. The next question is 55. Nadir Shah invaded India during which reign? This is Muhammad Shah. Nadir Shah is a foreigner who invaded in India in the period of Muhammad Shah. The next question is 56. What is the approximate velocity of light per second? That is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. The next question is 57. On which do companies pay corporate tax? That is incomes. On which do companies pay corporate tax? That is incomes. The next question is 18. Asses, that is asses, is the term associated with sport? That is football. Asses is a term in the football. Where is Pakistan's nuclear power plants located? That is Kahuta. Kahuta is a city in Pakistan where the nuclear power plants located. The last question is 60. Who recaptured Delhi from the rebels of British? Wrote the answer in the comment section and subscribe the channel and share the video.